Hi my friends! Today we are reviewing this ice cream maker. Let's go ahead and unbox it, then we're going to test it out and see how well it works. Okay my friends, they give you a little scooper. Looks like the blade, which is made out of plastic. This is the unit itself. Keep in mind, this unit cools and everything. You don't have to put anything in the freezer, which is really nice. Little cup, basket. So it's nice you can pull your ice cream out and then serve it. Really nice. Make sure you push it down in place. So don't just set it there. Make sure you line it up perfectly and then slide it down in. Power, menu, start, pause. And this will cool. Everything is so simple and easy to do. I do recommend opening it up and cleaning it out first for the first time use. So clean everything that way, because you know, just from factory, you never know. So I personally just recommend cleaning it out. Alright, so now we added all of our ingredients. You're gonna have to find your own custom recipe. We went really simple with sugar, vanilla extract, milk, and I believe that's it. You can use heavy cream, but it's, you know, heavy cream's not the greatest for you. So here we go. We're doing an hour. I don't know if that's going to be long enough, but we can at least see after an hour. And we're doing a little different style ice cream. It's not going to be for everyone, but basically you can find your own recipe and just pour it in. With your own recipe, you don't need to add ice or any of that stuff. The machine already takes care of that, so you don't need to do ice. You don't need to put anything in the freezer. You just simply pour in your ingredients and you're good to go. Okay, it is almost done, but I think it's pretty much done. So we're gonna pause it. Okay, well, it looks delicious. Looks good, guys. Guys, this turned out amazing. It tastes delicious. So we did 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract. We did about 2.5 cups of milk. And for sugar we did a little above 2 ounces, the 1/3 I believe that is, right there. And we use cane sugar. So we did cane sugar instead of fine sugar or granulated sugar. So we did cane sugar, and that's it. That's all we did. And it turned out amazing. For cleaning this out, you can pour hot water so the bucket gets frozen inside here. And you can pour hot water inside here to loosen everything up, and then just let it sit for a little while, or just let it sit naturally and then take the bucket out after it thaws out.